Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and push the bell button also so that you do not miss any new video from my end. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to improve your decision making skills. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Good decision making does not necessarily mean that the outcome must be good and right. We cannot be right all the time. When the decisions are taken with proper assessment of the available evidence and with a sound process, it is good and efficient enough. You did your part. So here are some tips that can help you take better decisions or improve your decision-making power. What you have done in past. Learn from your experiences as well as other experiences. Wisdom comes from learning, journalizing, and then applying it to the specific. Past victories will bring a sense of positivity and confidence, while mistakes will help you not to step on the same rail twice. I'm not advocating decision paralyzing here, but while making any important decisions, you should always consider your doubts, their outcomes, and assess everything accordingly. You should not have too many options, but you should always have 3 to 4 good options, and start by eliminating one by one rather than starting to choose one option right away. Narrow down your options, analyze each option and their alternatives. Focus on high priorities first. This term is given by psychologist Gary A. Klein. In this, you basically assume that the decision was a failure. You pretend that you already made the decision and it went horribly wrong. Then you ask yourself, what would have caused this decision to be a failure? Examine your answers. There can be many reasons a project can fail, and your answers will help you to improve your decision or find a better one. Or if you decide to stick with that decision, you will already have a start of the risk management plan, which will help you to minimize your implementation risks. Explore all the background information you can get. Talk to people, make visits, read reports and reviews, observe, do your research. Bring the outsiders that are already into that field into your decision making, as they think differently and they'll give you their views and insights. They may have more to offer to you, more choices, more ways, creative alternatives. You can also talk to your trusted friends, family, and experts. Being prepared well makes you less stressed if any issue occurs. While the problem may not occur, but it is better to anticipate them rather than ignore them. So planning ahead is the key point. You need to soak up the correct facts instead of influenced facts. And for that, you need to listen properly instead of just blabbering around. Look at the situation in both short-term and long-term view. Know the pros and cons of each situation, each option you have, and examine every possible route, both negative and positive. This helps you to see the opportunity cost or anything that you miss out on when one decision is preferred over the other. To be a good decision maker, don't beat yourself up about your past mistakes. Just learn from them and move ahead. Living with post-decision worries and regrets hurts your ability to take decisions efficiently in future. You should always set a deadline while making a decision. But how much time should you spend making a decision? It all depends on the significance of that decision. How will it impact your life? How much will it cost you? So realize its significance and set the deadline accordingly. Be careful, think rationally, and focus on facts rather than ego or impulsive desires. Give yourself some time. Step back when you feel you may be acting out of emotion. Taking decision while you're angry, upset, stressed, anxious will likely lead to poorer outcomes. A general tip is to be social and spend time with people of every age group. Become mindful and never miss any opportunity of getting more and more exposure. As according to me, exposure plays a very important role in our decision-making power. Directly or indirectly, it influences us. So this was it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down your views and share the video as much as possible. As I mentioned earlier, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep supporting. Bye.